am working on a new road section. I was gonna go off in that direction, but instead I'm gonna go off in that direction because I only have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 trees, 12 tops. It's going to be a bit of a climb, but I figure maybe if I do, 15 trees, come more from there instead of over there to get back here for a driveway. Going back downhill is be no problem in the winter, but it's coming this way. And I'm using the little TimberPro, and to show you what the TimberPro does best. Just like that, I got 2 trees limbed up to roughly the 6-foot height. Only have 2 more trees to go. So when I come back in to cut these will probably go in the sawmill. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 to 15 trees. And I have a new driveway. And then after getting back here, I should have brought the saw with me. I should have did this tree for the video. Can't walk past that one very easily. Oh hey, it's a big rock. Where'd that come from? And come back here. And without that TimberPro, this would be a much bigger job using a regular chainsaw, because you gotta operate them with 2 hands. You should be operating that TimberPro with 2 hands, but because of the weight, it's so easy to use it with 1. It makes it easy for difficult jobs. And that's where the TimberPro works best, is doing brushing jobs like this. You can barely see that lawn tractor. There's only 2 trees worth in a way. It's right there. But yeah, the little TimberPro is the best chainsaw I have for this job.